So please read learning outcomes. So before we start, first is I want your cooperation in order for us to exchange ideas. And second one is I want to use your imagination. Okay, Ramadana? Yes. So first question, what is heredity? Ano may idea ng heredity? What is heredity? One.
Genetics. Mana-mana.
Mana. Okay.
Basa. Continue. Your mother is basa.
Okay, thank you for that. Correct answer. So, heredity is the passing of a certain inherited characteristics from one generation to another. So, asa man ang makuha ng mga characteristics sa mga parents. So, na mo yung mga nagawa na examples na mga characteristics na nakuha nato sa mga parents. Ay, asa man? Kanang mga guwapo. Okay. Tama yung kaling mga characteristics ato rin kasagaran ganito sa chismis na, marites. Wala ba? Kapilan na gito siya. Yung kapilan siguro tayo mama. Kaliwat. Wala na. Kaliwat pa. Hindi mo lagi mo si Sinet. Kaya, part saya, dili sa wala sa parents na, kung dili sa mga matulungan, o mga relatives, para to. Sabat ba? Ano ba? So the next question is, what are genes? So many genes. So what are genes? What are genes? Please read.
Genes are small units of information inside our cells that contain instructions for how our body's development and function.
So genes are our body's instruction manual. So the basic unit of heredity passed from parent to child is genes. So ito muna lang nga ganing small units sa mga genes is mo niya sulod sa DNA. And then ito muna lang ganing mga genes na gagmay mo sila hair color at ang height na ma-receive sa child. So genes can be found in the specific section sa DNA. Yan sa DNA, makita na ito ang genes sa chromosomes. What are chromosomes? Chromosomes are the cell structure made of protein and single molecule of DNA. Now, what are genes na? After knowing what genes are, ano kung ibawan, nasa sila tuyo. This is
Genes are a segment of DNA located in the structures called chromosomes.
as what I mentioned earlier, na makita na siya sa chromosomes, that cell structure made of proteins and single molecule of sa DNA. Okay? So why do we need genes? Why do we need genes? Please read.
We need genes because they contain instructions for building and maintaining our bodies.
So we need genes in order to contain instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. So, hindi na siya, nakikita natin genes. So, if hindi na itong bad, wala kumikis ng bad, iwasan ka, sakit. No? If tayo magubak sa itong genes, it can affect the way we walk, the way we digest food, and the way we breathe. So that's why rin ang masunod ang gene therapy. So please read on.
Gene therapy is the introduction of genes into cell cells and work to cure a wide range of diseases. Gene therapy is the use of genes as medicine. For example, parents, DNA code is used by basic mechanisms to manufacture specific enzymes and other proteins through the process of protein synthesis. The DNA strand provides a template for pattern for the information of messenger RNA or mRNA. The DNA code is transcribed or read by the RNA as the latter that decides the pattern complementary to the DNA strand. discoveries in genetic science, they started to create as the DNA was chemically activated and electric. DNA activates itself with chromosome certificate in the early stages of development. So, parang kuan, di ba makasapasok ng break natin na sakit-sakit na mga sa food rate, no? In theory, DNA is passed from generation to generation through reproduction and acts as genetic factor. DNA interacts with the cell's chemical counter and produces the observable effects on the phenotype when genes are inserted by the cell or others. DNA regulates the production of enzymes in the cell and thereby enables the cell to perform the complex cellular chemical reactions necessary to sustain life. So, as I said, ay mga sakit na pasa to generation na naanak ng bagon. Matakayaw natin, kaliwat na.
Buwang.
Kaliwat niya ka na. Cancer na na.
Na HIV.
Pupusok rin mo.
Oh,
Ay, sana ka na.
Basa lang pero wala pa.
dapat genetic eh. Naka-HIV, yung anak.
In conclusion, DNA is not really a molecule with a pattern. It is a code, a language, and an information storage. So, gusto mo, duluan mo, anak ni Kuan, anak ni Tito. Anak ni Padre na Tito. Padre na Tito, dahil lagi mo kami. Anak. Stem cell. Stem cell history. Stem cell therapy. Stem cells secreting or prevent disease or condition. Stem cells are special ways of change changes,